This is the Austrian Audio OC18 microphone. It retails for $899 and comes in a sturdy metal case. Inside, of course, you get the microphone, a windscreen, a mic clip, and a custom shock mount. Going over the specs, this is a condenser microphone, so it requires phantom power from an audio interface to work. It has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it's most sensitive from the front and is going to reject sound coming from the back, a self noise of 9 dBA, which is pretty low. In addition, it has a built-in pad switch ranging from -10 to -20 decibels, which is quite useful when recording really loud sources, as well as a high-pass filter ranging from 40 to 160 Hz to remove low-end rumble from your recordings. Typically, this is done in post-production with an EQ, but it's nice to have built right on the microphone, eliminating one step in the mixing process. Something else worth mentioning is that this microphone model is a matched pair to any OC18. This means that if you buy one today and then another one 5 years from now, they will sound identical, which is perfect for stereo recordings. Moving on to its sound profile, as you can see, it has a pretty flat response in the lows and mids, a boost between 3,000 to 6,000 Hz, a dip around 8,000 Hz, and a presence boost around 10K. So now let's do some audio tests so you can hear this microphone in action. You're listening to the Austrian Audio OC18 microphone without any post-processing. Now you're listening to the Austrian Audio with a bit of EQ and compression, and this is how it sounds. I've been in the cold, 42 below, feeling miserable. I need you right now. I've been in the cold, 42 below, feeling miserable. I need you right now. So what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend this mic to? Before I share them with you, if you enjoy reviews like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting with the pros, number one is sound quality. This mic sounds great for voiceover, singing vocals, and the acoustic guitar. To my ears, it has a very clear sound without being too boomy or harsh, so in my opinion, Austrian Audio struck a great balance when designing the tone of this microphone. In addition, even though I'm not a drummer and I don't have a guitar amp, I've watched other content creators and music producers test this mic for those applications, and they were all happy with their results. Another pro is flexibility. Thanks to the built-in pad switch and the high-pass filter, this mic can handle any recording situation, which is perfect if you plan on recording different instruments or full bands. A third pro is value. With this kit, not only do you get a great sounding microphone, it comes with some unique built-in features, some nice accessories, and I have to say, after testing many microphones over the years, the included metal case in this kit is one of the best quality cases that I've ever seen. Just as a comparison, here's the Neumann TLM102, which retails for around $700, and as you can see, it comes in a cardboard box with only a mic clip, so I definitely gotta give props to Austrian Audio for that. But now, let's talk about the cons. Starting with the shock mount, even though it has a locking mechanism at the bottom, I found that with enough force, you can pull the microphone out of it, which is not something I expect at this price point. Of course, I don't know why anybody will pull on the microphone, but I do think it's worth mentioning because God forbid you knock over your mic stand, there is a chance that the mic may detach from the shock mount. Also, I found that this microphone is very sensitive to plosives, but unfortunately this kit doesn't come included with a pop filter, so you either have to spend extra money and buy one separately, or you'll just have to use the included windscreen, which does a great job at plosive rejection. With all that being said, should you buy this microphone? Well, it depends. Even though this is a great sounding microphone, I don't recommend it to beginners simply because for $900 you can build an entire home studio, including a more affordable microphone, an audio interface, studio headphones, and possibly acoustic treatment, which are gonna move you much further along getting started. However, if you've been recording for a while on a $200 to $300 microphone, you already have a home studio setup, and what you're looking for is to level up the audio quality in your recordings while having a mic that can handle any recording situation, then I think the Austrian Audio OC18 is a great choice, and it could be the last microphone you ever purchase. If you want to buy this mic, the links are down in the description below, and if you want to learn how to mix vocals recorded on this microphone, then go ahead and click right here, and I'll see you in the next video.